si benta bandang ai mensiam susu bagi nangkiu syaprang ha ka jingpuli hadian bikila pas ba ha ka examen jongka HSSLC Science but Commerce uba sanbor sulai menta ka siu lapun ko buram langru ikino hikai jongka laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School kenang bakitang la menteri hakisnam ki bendang wan ha kani keju singi uba sanbor sulai lapun ko buram ru yu samla an kurdas ubalawan hak dan pesan puar bapas dia ka UPSC IAS examination but lapan long ya kani daka greater laban community development society ya ka lapan long hau susu tham hall nakaliang wan kur ha bakren ha ka jelang pun ko buram ulong bau sngo komen bau de nakachala megalia but lapan paru i jingsungu i basan bor sulai ula ai hu ya kani khusnam ban pun ko buram.
So whenever I get a chance to talk to any of the media outlets, both local and national, it gives me immense pride to be saying that I belong to Shillong. Good. So it's always great to be receiving something from the city and the people. And ever since my results came out, I've been overwhelmed by the love and the support shown by the people of Meghalaya. I've had visits from Sir and many other dignitaries from the state. And there has been nothing but immense love and immense sense of hope. And I think that is what the civil services is all about. Like after clearing the exam, many people have been asking me how it feels and why did you choose to do this. So of course the perks and the status and the privilege, all that is there. But I think the civil services is the only institution in the country which allows you to contribute so meaningfully and so directly and touch lives so directly at a very young age. And I hope to join the Indian Administrative Service. And the Indian Administrative Service has been at the forefront of nation building since the last 75 years, as well as before that as the Indian Civil Service. And it's an immense honor for me to be joining this prestigious service, and I hope to come back to the state and serve its people. Yes. Thank you so much to the Greater Laban Community Development Society and to everyone here for this honor, and thank you very much once again.
Nakaliang jungkino hikai kibla syapun ko buram halau MLA kilapan pau ba kimsem lampoi perkhat banyo yakani khusnam bat kilapan pau ba kani kadang ai mensim susu bantrei bhan nak banta banwanra yakanam bat kaburam yakasnong laban bat yakajalahi bro kawai.
Local MLA cum minister, we got 1 crore 83 lakhs for ADB building, which is a dedication for our children, and I may a little more optimistic that in future also you will find our name in the toppers list like previous years, and Laban people will come to Laban unlike previous years, that it is the ultimate destination.
Ubasan bor sulai bakran hakani kejelang ulapun pau ke jingkemen nak bantaki laingut kisamla ki walale abha haka examen ke jungki bat kumjuru ulai ku belai kerpang nak bantaki samla puli ke jela ki bala pas bah haka examen SSLC bat kumjuru haka HSSLC.
Teacher is like a candle. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Right? Let me repeat. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. And if you go to the students listen carefully. Students, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Education is not for students. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. the words and the teaching of the Holy Books, be it the Bible or the Ramayana or the Quran or the Gita or the Guru Granth Sahib or the Kentang Gabakoi, it teaches the same thing, that all human beings, living things, including animal, insects. Remember, we are all being created by the only one soul of God. So the message should go that we should always love and respect secularism and not communalism. So with this word, I congratulate each and every one of you, and especially Ankur, who have really brought laurel and distinction to RC, to himself, and he have long way to go. And the remaining also to our three toppers from the Begli Boys Higher Secondary School, and to all the teachers and non-teaching staff, because these toppers, and including Mr. Ankur, they are going long way, they have to work hard. So we are always, though we cannot be adjacent to you, but always let us pray for each other. That is very important.